Hey everyone, Mark here again at the Seaway Hyundai's virtual showroom, here back to show you another great pre-owned vehicle. 2020 Hyundai Tucson Preferred all-wheel drive. Definitely one of our most popular Tucsons, whether it be new or pre-owned. So we're gonna do a quick walk around on the outside, then I'll show you some of the interior features. For 2020, they've really focused on safety features, which is definitely a benefit to you as a consumer, and comfort features, but safety, safety, safety. So again, you get the H-Track all-wheel drive system. So this is a preferred model with all-wheel drive. You get those nice alloy wheels, which is a nice feature. Makes it look a little sportier. You've got turn signal indicators on the mirrors. You've got fog lights. So again, lots of exterior features that are standard on this Tucson. That's one of the nice things about Hyundai. They put a ton of standard features on their vehicles. So you got a nice big honeycomb grille. So you can see hood's in nice shape, glass is in nice shape, the roof is also in nice shape, and that's to be expected with a vehicle with these type of kilometers. You also have these side rails. You can throw cross rails on the top if you have a ski box or kayak carrier or anything like that. Definitely a versatile vehicle. Tucson has been a #1 seller for as long as I can remember. And we keep the mats back here so they stay nice and clean. So as you can see, a good sized trunk. You have anchors on all 3 seats. Seats are 60/40 split folding. So if you're doing a little project at home, you can fold those seats down, fold one, fold both. Again, very versatile. So that's nice to have. You also have your spare down there, just in case you need it. But with all the roadside assistance, don't worry, we've got you covered. Roadside assistance will hook you up if need may be. Now let's have a look at the rear seats. So again, nice cloth seats. I apologize for the sun, but cloth is all in nice shape. Carpets are in nice shape. You've got some rear ventilation here, which is nice for your passengers. So you've also got 2-stage heated seats on the outside passenger seats. So again, nice feature to have. You move in, you have proximity key. So I just locked the car. Now I've unlocked it. So again, proximity key, push button start. You have power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You also have an adjustable driver's seat. You can raise, lower, move it forward and backwards. You can adjust your interior illumination. You have lane departure warning. You have adaptive cruise control. You have traction control, and you have 4-wheel drive lock. So a lot of safety features, which I mentioned earlier with the 2020 Tucson Preferreds. Push button start. On the steering wheel for the driver, you have a leather wrapped steering wheel. You also have all your volume, Bluetooth, hands-free calling on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, your cruise controls. You also have your information center here, which you can toggle through and adjust some settings to your specifications, personalize the vehicle, as I would say. You have drive modes, so you can drive it in sport or normal. Again, electric steering, so it tightens or loosens the steering. You have downhill brake assist control as well. You have all your plugins and AUX down here, so nice features to have. Heated steering wheel, 3-stage heated seats on both sides, front rear defrost, air conditioning, obviously very simplistic, easy to use. You have your hazards here, so again, everything at the tips of the driver if need may be. You have Bluetooth, I've mentioned Bluetooth already. You have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, so again, plug your Apple phone in, your Android phone in, have access to navigation, real-time traffic reports, all your apps, your music, anything like that. But again, it's definitely beneficial if you're headed on any type of trip out of town. You don't have to go to the top line model to get navigation anymore. And of course, you have a very nice size backup camera. So you can see, cloth is all in nice shape, dash is in nice shape. Nothing to worry about. This car is in great shape. And as you've seen already, the kilometers are fantastic. With kilometers up to 100,000, factory warranty up to 100,000 kilometers. Definitely tons of factory warranty remaining. So again, we just looked at a 2020, this is gonna beep because I have the key in my pocket. We just looked at a 2020 Hyundai Tucson Preferred all-wheel drive. You can call, text, or email us if you have any questions. As always, you can shop 24/7seawayhyundai.com and book an appointment if you want to come see us in person. We'd be happy to show you any newer pre-owned vehicle that suits your needs. Thank you.